Little Chef's cooking adventures for kids.
Welcome to Little Chefs, the cooking show where kids become culinary masters. Today, we have some exciting recipes that are not only delicious but also easy for kids to make. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and join us on a cooking adventure. Our first recipe is a classic favorite, homemade pizza. It's fun to make and allows kids to get creative with their toppings. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by rolling out the pizza dough. Kids, grab your rolling pins and let's flatten the dough into a circle. Great job, everyone. Now, let's spread on some tomato sauce. Remember, not too much or it'll get soggy. Next up, sprinkle on your favorite cheese and toppings. This is where you can get creative. Who's ready to add their topping? Fantastic job, little chefs. Now it's time to pop our pizzas into the oven. Remember, always ask an adult for help with the oven. While our pizzas bake, let's move on to our next recipe, fruity yogurt parfaits. These are perfect for a healthy snack or even breakfast. Let's see what ingredients we have. First, let's layer some yogurt at the bottom of our cups. Then, sprinkle on some granola for a delicious crunch. Now, it's time to add our fruits. Feel free to mix and match or create fun patterns with your fruit slices. Voila! Our fruity yogurt parfaits are ready to enjoy. Don't they look delicious? Well done, little chefs. You've all done an amazing job today. Remember, cooking is not only fun but also a great way to learn about measurements and cooking basics. Join us next time for more delicious recipes and cooking adventures on Little Chefs. Until then, happy cooking!